Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oat biscuits at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need rolled oats, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This helps immensely with mixing. Also, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This simple step ensures your biscuits won't stick, making cleanup much easier. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: the flour, oats, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Next, add the softened butter. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the dry mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, gradually pour in about 1/2 cup of milk or water, mixing gently until a soft, cohesive dough forms. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those delicious biscuits. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to approximately 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round cutter or a knife to cut out your individual biscuits. Carefully place them onto your prepared baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Your warm, fragrant oat biscuits are now ready to enjoy. They are absolutely delightful served fresh from the oven with a dollop of butter, a spoonful of your favorite jam, or even a drizzle of honey. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. These versatile biscuits make a wonderful breakfast treat or a satisfying snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.